Hello traders, welcome back to your FXCM YouTube channel. My name is David Bandoño. I'm a trader and also do market analysis, and this video is gonna be about how to simulate trades with FXCM. Well, as you know, and we have covered before in different videos, backtesting is such an important tool for us. So that way we can figure out our strategy is worth and also how to manage ourselves during the trade itself in real time. So first of all, we have to make sure that our instrument, whatever it is, it's on the FXCM broker charts. That way we can make sure we're watching the same movements and the liquidity is placed in the same places and so on, right? So after we make sure that we are on the FXCM brokers chart, the only thing we have to do is go to trading panel right here down and select paper trading. Paper trading, it's a way to say a demo account or something like that, right? Where we can perform our backtesting, we will have our trading journal, account history, orders, and so on. And in order to place our trades in real life, all we need to do is click right here in trade. Right here we will have all what we need. If you want to make a market trade or a limit order or a stop order, it all depends on the moment, it all depends on the situation, it all depends also on your own strategy. You can place your take profit, your stop loss, set your price in case you want to place a stop order or a limit order. And also if you want to just trade with the market, just place the stop loss, and where to take the profit, you can do it in terms of pips. If you don't mind currently price, you can do it in terms of pips and so on. It's very easy and yet very important for us to backtest in real life the movements, so we can know how to not just the strategy goes itself, but how we manage ourselves during these periods of stress and so on. We also have videos about that on our trading psychology tips if you want to check those. And well, that will be all for this video. I hope you like it and find it interesting and helpful for you. And if you like this, don't forget to share and subscribe, and also click on the like button, and I will see you in the next trading session.